and today we are making egg tarts. The Hong Kong kind or the Portuguese kind, I don't know. But it's going to be one of the versions. Kenny's cooking show. And it's a different day. I'm not wearing the same outfit. This is just black and white, so it just looks the same, but it's not the same. Like all videos, we're gonna look through a YouTube tutorial. I just know that we start with butter. Oh, we are not prepared. Do we have a knife? Egg tarts, we need to make the pie crust. We need 90 grams. So the box says it's 450 grams.
Right, so based off that, calculate 90 grams of the block.
Okay, so
No, just look at it. You have a full block 450.
Yeah.
If you halve it, how much is that? 225.
That, yes.
If you halve that again, how much is that?
We need 90, so we need to cut it how many times? We need to cut it 5 times. We need to cut it into fifths.
There we go. Good job.
Did I ever tell you that I was supposed to be a doctor? Why are you laughing?
Thinking of how many people probably had their life saved by your change in career.
They would. I would save so many lives.
I think you did by not becoming a doctor.
That's not right. Hold on. Don't judge. Don't judge.
They have a scale in there.
They have a scale?
Oh,
It's
okay.
fine. I don't need a scale. I'm a doctor. Good enough. Okay. So 90 grams, hopefully. It's some good butter. Oh.
Just scrape it off the side of the plate.
What was I gonna say? I'm a strong boy. Oh, I gotta whisk it? It's taking too much time. It's not good for me, I don't want to do it anymore. All my efforts of shoving it down here for all to come up back up here. It just does not make sense.
I mean, if it's all getting stuck in the whisk, you could also use a fork because it's not that much better.
Oh, that's true. Good enough. Okay, what's the next step? It's good enough. It looks great. Don't show this part. It's gonna show that I'm a fraud.
So stressful watching this.
Oh, there's still chunks. Okay. It says I need a half cup of sugar.
Didn't you say you needed powdered sugar?
I mean, it's the same thing.
No.
It creates a different texture.
Oh, really? But where's the powdered sugar?
No, baking soda.
It's the one that says sugar powder.
Oh, okay, it's this one. It's good enough. Okay. Look at me. I'm so professional. I can like measure things now. Why was it so quiet when I was like, I'm so good?
Yay.
Yay! Should I just use my hands?
No. No, you should not use your hands.
It's so dry.
Really not convenient for this.
I don't know, it gives nourishment, you know, and that's why I picked it. Time to add 2 eggs.
It's not
No,
mixed.
you need to keep mixing it. It needs to be a homogeneous paste, right?
It can be more homogeneous if I add the egg in. Wait, what's homogeneous?
It's when everything is a unified texture.
Oh!
So it all like perfectly blends in together.
Oh, homogeneous!
That's not how it's pronounced, but that is how it's spelled.
Oh.
Homogeneous.
Oh, that looks better, no? The texture.
Yeah!
There we go. You're getting there.
In my Nora Smith bowl. Just eggs. Excuse me. What a tool.
Click or click.
Click.
Have you ever been to Hong Kong or Portugal?
No.
What about Macau?
No.
Okay. So I think the 3 main egg tart styles are Hong Kong, Macau, and Portugal.
Oh.
Macau's is kind of a combination of, I think it's closer to the Portuguese one because you had Portugal that was there for a while. But those are like the 3 main styles of egg tarts.
It looks weird. And evaporating milk now.
How much do you need?
8 grams.
And how are you measuring that?
With my eyes. I mean, the sweeter the better, right? It's good, just don't tell Michelle. Oh, it's a half a cup of evaporated milk. Wait, no. That's fine. It's fine. We're good, we're good. This is the Kenny way, you know, and the Kenny way is usually right. Usually. So I need 4 cups of flowers.
What kind of flowers?
The pretty ones. Can I use my hands now?
I think it's still too liquidy. How does your texture compare to the video's texture?
They look the same.
Yay!
Yay! Pay for a win. I'm just kidding. Anywhere else I'll be a 10.
No, maybe do it in more organized amounts so that you keep track of how much you added.
Oh, I added half a cup.
Oh, these are only half cups?
Yeah.
Ah, you're going to be doing this for a long time. Because you need 4, right?
Yeah.
So far you only have
Yeah.
1 1/4 cups of
Yeah.
flour.
Yeah, that's true. I think this is good. I think I don't need to add more.
Huh? Okay, how much flour do you need to add according to the recipe at this stage?
Oh, two cups.
So, where are the other 2 cups of flour coming in the recipe?
Let me read. Oh no, we're just putting all. Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Well, good to know.
So you can add another 2 cups of flour now.
Well, it just said also for some for oh.
Yeah, but
also
not.
keep some for. Okay, I see.
Okay. Yay!
Thank you.
So how much are you at now? 1 1/2? Of your 4
No,
cups?
I'm done.
You were saying those were half cups.
Yeah.
You need 4 cups of flour.
Yeah.
You have not added 8 of those.
That's 8. Why is it 8?
Because that's half a cup.
Yeah. And I've been doing 1, 2, and then 3, and this is about to be my 4th. No, this
Yeah,
is
4 half cups. You need 4 full cups.
I need 4 cups of flowers.
No? You said in the recipe.
No. Two cups of flowers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So confusing.
I don't know, it's coming along really nicely though.
Okay.
Okay. Wait. How many flowers? I don't know now. No, yes, this is the 4th cup.
Yeah.
Yes, no, I'm right. Oh my god.
Okay, so what's the next stage?
Oh, to let it rest. Sorry. Watch me drop it. I was like, oh shit.
It's supposed to be like that.
And you need to chill it. We just don't have glad wrap. Okay, 3 eggs. Whisk it until it's foamy. It's just butter, okay? It's not gonna ruin the recipe, I think. Okay. So, a 1/3 cup of sugar.
Wait, have you? Is the texture of the eggs what it's supposed to be?
Yeah, frothy.
Frothy.
And 50 grams of evaporated milk. So this is not 50. This is 60 milliliters, which is basically the same thing. So I'll just pour 60 and then give a little slurp and then throw it in. And then add 200 milliliters of water.
Carefully. Mix it well.
I know. What can I say? If it's not butter, it's not my enemy. What happened if I don't want to add water? Like, what happened if I wanted to make it like extra thicky? Fine. Okay. We're gonna chill for an hour. Well, it's actually 30 minutes. And we're back. It has been an hour and more because we want to make sure it's real chill, real chill. Okay, now we're going to make our pie dough, and then we have our custard, very nicely made. I'll put this back in the fridge while we make our pie dough. Perfect. I'll roll it out. It's fine, we'll test it.
Oh, okay.
No, that's good. Yeah. It's too small. Let's see. Okay, this one seems more like it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Like you're making mini pizzas.
Oh, that's what we should make, pizzas. How do we feel I'm doing? Like what's the vibes right now?
It's promising.
Promising. I mean, it's way better than my last videos where I literally forgot the eggs. Watch my sister be like, how's your music career going? Are you doing anything fun? It's like, yeah, I'm a cook now.
Just sends her.
A calf.
I'm a chef.
Just sends her a video of this.
Yeah. She's like, okay, well. She's like, okay, well,
Why did you decide to make eggtarts?
because the K in Kenny stands for egg tarts. Duh.
Huh?
Okay, we got 6 here. I'm gonna pour them nicely into here. It looks custard-esque. Like the custard is custarding. After filling in all my custards, it's time to put it in. "15 to 25 minutes. And in the meantime, we'll make more dough. H-R-T-T-R-G-R, your can't talk make home.
Is that
Yeah. There we go. Yes. Okay, well, I guess the other one's gonna be literal, like, custards. Let's make our custard. Oh my god. Oh, but the issue is, my custard already has eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you're supposed to put it slightly with eggs. But I literally just put eggs in it, so. Uh-oh.
Wow, Kenny.
Heck indeed.
Oh my
I
gosh.
know. I am a cat. But I think they're done. No, it's hot. Oh,
Where do you want to put it?
but just put it there.
Where?
Yeah, just put it there.
On your phone?
Yeah.
Penny.
Okay, can you edit it so it looks like me doing it? I did that. Can we pretend? Yeah. And we'll just let it cool. It's cute. So what do you guys do for the weekend? Anything fun? It's too hot still. They look interesting. I mean, they look like egg tarts.
Yeah, they look like the real deal.
Yeah.
Really good.
The dough, just do your deal. I don't like the dough that
Oh,
much.
you're just eating it.
Yeah.
thought you
It's
were
not that hot anymore.
Okay.
I did good. This one's a successful one. It's not too sweet too.
7, I guess, I think.
Nice! I passed.
That's good.
I passed.
How would you rate yours? Egg tarts.
This one? I mean, it was better than the cookies. It's good, yeah. I'll give it a 7 as well. It's a passing grade. It passed. It's egg tart-esque. It's Kenny's cooking show. And I'm still making my custard. But I'll send you a picture after it. Montage. Bye.